Feeling stiff? This is RockFloss for around the knee joint.
This is a compressive tool for mobility, so we want you to start away from the heart and work your way towards the heart. With each wrap, you overlap 50% of the previous layer. Start at 50% tension. You can work your way up from here, but this is a great place to start. Once you've reached the end, find a place to tuck it in. It does stick to itself, and here's where we move. You want to start with non-weight bearing motions. So here we have just a knee extension and flexion. Really get that leg curled underneath you so you activate the hamstring muscles. When we're wrapping the knee joint, we're actually affecting 3 joints. We're going to affect the ankle, knee, and hip because of all the muscles that are coming into the knee from the top and into the knee from the bottom. So you want to hit all of those. A body weight squat is a great way to do that, along with calf raises, lunges, any sort of angles that you can find. Rocking the ankle and the knee are helpful to get that knee joint loosened up as well. And then remove. This is a 3 to 5 minute solution for better circulation, mobility, and pain-free movement.